Well, if that is project, then what is project management? Well, project management is a discipline. And the first picture we discussed is project management. So what was that picture, friends?
10 steps, project management life cycle and the role of PM and the 10 aspects.
And the triangle, right?
Triangle, yes.
What are
Triangle.
we doing? How much time? How much cost? We're doing PMP, time, 35 hours, cost. You have to pay me every time we meet, apart from what you already paid. So just kidding, right? The idea is that cost in terms of now and the future, right? For example, we will pay the PMI fee and all certification exam fee. That's the cost for you. And then building a quality product. That's what is focused. How do we do it? 5 pillars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Resources, which is the team will do it. When team comes in, what is the problem? How do we communicate and get the things done? So communication is a piece. Next is
resources,
communication, stakeholders, suppliers. And in doing all this, we'll encounter a lot of problems, but I don't care. I'll fix them because I know this can go wrong. I know that can go wrong.
integration.
And in doing the integration, we'll find some challenges, right? Which we have documented from the beginning, or we will keep documented them as we go through. They're all called as risks, right? But we don't know everything, right? Do we know everything?
No.
If we don't know everything, then that is called as uncertain item, but we need some money and time to fix that. And we'll talk about in the future classes that we use money from the management reserve versus contingency. Contingency fund is to deal with the risks, right? We'll discuss in the cost management, but applying the tools and techniques of project management to deliver a project, that is what project management is all about. There are like 49 processes and 5 process groups. And I think the next slide is about that. I want to show you that. Oh, I don't want to jump the gun too much, but I'll come back to it, friends. So in all, there are like 49 processes and 5 process groups. And as a project manager, we apply the tools and techniques. We deal with the triple constraints. We deal with timelines, budget constraints, quality issues, resources, and make sure that we manage the unknowns, problems, risks, mitigate them, and deliver the project. Any questions, ideas, thoughts, concerns?